All right, in this video, I'm going to go over the second practice problem on your sheet. And I'm going to do it in cabinet and also cavalier, just like the first practice problem that I did. I'm going to make each one of these worth 2 blocks. All right, so whenever I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to make it 8 tall because I'm going to call these, each 2 of these equals 1 of these. All right, so I'm going to draw 2, 4, 6, 8. Goes 3 over here, so that'd be 6, 2, 4, 6. This one goes over 2, so that'd be 4. This one's going to go up 3 1/4, so that would be 6 1/2. 2, 4, 6 1/2. And then I'm going to connect those two. Now I'm going to go back. This would be 1, 2, 3, which would be 6, but I'm drawing the cabinet first, so it would actually just be 3. Go 1, 2, 3. Right, this one's 1, 2, 3. This one just goes back 2, so it would be 1, 2, and this one goes back 2. Okay, now I'm ready to draw the next face in line. And so it goes 3 over, so that'd be 6, 2, 4, 6. This one goes up 1, so again we're doing 2. And then we're going to connect those lines. Draw that one down and connect those 2 lines. Okay, now each of these corners go back 1. I wouldn't actually draw this one because there's not a line there. There is an actual line here, so I'm going to go ahead and draw that one. And just goes back 1 because we're halving the amount. Again, in each block it's worth 2. Okay, so I'm going to then connect these. Right, and this one is going to just connect all the way down. And if I had a ruler, that would have looked a lot better, but you get the point. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same type of shading that I did on the first one. Again, fairly quickly, just so that you don't have to sit here and wait while I shade. Okay, and these I'll just do up and down, just like I did on the last one. Okay, now I'm going to draw the cabinet. Excuse me, I'm sorry, this is the cabinet. And then I'm going to do the oblique cavalier. Okay, basically the only difference is I'm not going to I am going to go ahead and instead of 3, I'm going to have it the full 6 for my depth. I'm not going to half it like we do in the cabinet. But the front is still drawn the same. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 6, 2, 4, 6. Goes up 3 1/2 again. So, excuse me, 3 1/4. So that would be 6 1/2. 4, 6 1/2. This one goes over 4. And I connect those two. Do my depth. Instead of 3, we're doing 6 because each block is 2. So 2, 4, 6. This one goes back. 2, 4, 6. This one's going to go back 4. There's 1, 2, 3. It's a little trickier just because they're not on the actual points. All right, this one's going to go back 4. Okay, so now I'm ready to draw the next face right here. All right, so 3 over would be 6, 2, 4, 6. It would go up 1, so 2. And then I would connect these 2 and I would finish off this line. Okay, each of these points need to go back 1, which each block is worth 2. Got that. I'm going to connect all of these lines. and finish off that line. And then I would go ahead and finish off the shading, just like on the other ones. All right, so let's look at these compared again. Okay, this one is Cavalier, and this one right here is Cabinet. All right, I'm going to do one more example. On the next one, I'm going to do the example here where you actually have to measure. Okay, so 1.5, 1.5 here. Just like before in the ISO grid paper, each of these blocks is worth 0.25 of an inch.